Hey guys, back here working in the garage. Sorry about the noise. Got the water sprinklers going again. So anyway, got this exhaust all welded up. You guys can see these patch jobs they did. Turned out really, really nice. And they also welded that crack. I don't know if you guys seen my last post on YouTube, but anyway, had a couple of cracks in here, so everything else looks really good. I think that was it, at least I'm hoping. So right now, kind of the plan is going to be to smack over a little bit here. The plan is going to be to go ahead and try to put this port back in, some of the Teflon, or put some sealant on that. There's some thread sealant here. So the bad thing is, man, those I don't know if you guys can see in there, but not a lot going on with those threads. So I'm hoping this goes back together and stays together. We'll see. Try to. There's plenty of thread sealant, and I mean, it does feel like it does seep, but we'll see what happens here. So I'll get this put in. I'll cut back in just a second and be ready to put this exhaust back in. All right, guys, so I've got the exhaust back in the ski. Everything's bolted down. Got all the hoses hooked back up. Honestly, I think it's probably good to go. I'm gonna hook it up to the garden hose here in the next day or so. I've got the battery on the tender, so as soon as the battery's good to go, I'm gonna throw it in. I've been swapping batteries back and forth between this and the GXI out there. So at first I wasn't going to buy a battery until one of these runs right, because if it doesn't, then yeah, there's no point in having a brand new battery sitting in it. So right now I've got that battery in the GXI, and it's on a tender. So as soon as it gets charged up, we'll throw it, swap it back in here, and we'll see what happens. I really think that should have fixed my problems, but we'll see. Hopefully this weekend. I'm not sure which jet ski's going to the lake. That's kind of the problem I ran into now, is I've only got a 2-place trailer. Kawasaki runs great, so I really don't want to pull it off the trailer and have 2 broke down, potentially, jet skis. So right now I'm going to get this hooked up on the water, and we'll see how it goes from there. But yeah, I really think that probably fixed the issues on this one. For now anyway. So if you guys have any questions on this, hit me up. Try to help you out the best way I can. So this repair at a local shop to do all of it was like $85. They have a minimum $100, so that's kind of where you're at. So if anybody's curious what it's going to cost to weld one of these up, you're looking at about a $100 bill. If you were to go buy a used pipe off eBay, they're like almost $500. So still quite a bit cheaper to go that way. If you guys don't remember in the last video on this, I actually took and cleaned up the back end of this too and took out all the exhaust crap, really just searching for a leak until I found it up here. So we'll see how this thing runs. Hopefully everything goes great, but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.